Okay.
Oh, Tyler!
Really? Go this way.
What did you get?
Let's get him. Hey, stop. Let go.
I got him!
Okay, wait. Keep him.
Oh my goodness!
Wait. I won't touch him yet, okay? You got him hooked.
Oh yeah!
Wait.
Nate, move for a sec. Nate, move for 1 second. I want to get tight in it.
Ty, hold him. Want to touch him?
He's dead?
No, he's alive. Want to touch him?
Oh!
Whoa! Did you let him go?
Whoa!
Ready? Bye, fish.
Yay! That's what he said. He caught a bunch right here.
Hey, hold on. I'll get another one.
What about that fish?
Why not?
This lightning, I don't want a lot of rods out here.